these updates a few times a week, these live updates, because I try to help you make money in the stock market. But I don't think you need my help to make money in the stock market. So at least not right now. Just buy every IPO afterwards. Buy Disney, which I've been wrong on. Doesn't matter they're paying or they're getting paid $1.50 per subscriber. International doesn't matter. Nothing matters, right? So it's very easy to make money in stocks these days. So instead, this post on the weekend, I want to share something personal with you. Most of my life, especially many of you follow me for over 20 years doing this, I've been slightly overweight for most of my life. So, something that I've struggled with. And, the last couple of years, I've got a great trainer. His name is Fred. And we really worked hard. And this year, I really put a lot into it, saying, okay, let's see what we can really, really do here. And my goal was like to make his wall, right? Because they always have before and after pictures and stuff. So, last month we put together a nice program, which included me being miserable, which meant no salt, no bread, lots of chicken and salads, a very, 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 very strict diet. Me getting a little grumpy. If I was grumpy on some videos or answering emails, you know why. But I'm wearing that Under Armour shirt today because today we actually had the pictures taken. In the last 5 weeks, I lost 17 pounds. Body fat went from 26 to 19% and gained muscle over that time. So, we took some pictures and my staff was like, you should post some of them. And, I'm not that guy, but I just might post a few of them. So anyone who is a bodybuilder, who I have enormous, enormous respect for you. Oh, man. I never realized the technique behind it. If you're going on stage, how to do everything. But hey, if you're a bodybuilder, feel free to make fun of me because my pictures aren't that great. They're probably better, but I'll post them because it's probably, you'll never see me like that again, which is cool. So it's something personal I wanted to share with you guys. But I'm going to post that on our Curzio Research YouTube page. Definitely take a look and definitely, subscribe to it. Again, all our videos, Wall Street Unplugged, studio, everything. We had a really good year this year for Curzio Research, and everything's going to video now. We're really excited about our new studio and everything, so really cool stuff. But share those pictures with you, and in the meantime, I'm going to go eat about 2 to 3 slices of pizza right now. I'm not kidding. That's something I wanted to share personally with you guys. As always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.